Marhaba.
Mag-ano muna ako.
We will do vlogging for our new hair, nail polish. This is iCut. I'm done. I'm finished already. Cut eye buo ang cut. So, see my nail. It's very nice. I'm finished already.
Botalo eh.
Ganda. Next
Pimple.
is Fiona.
Spain. Oh.
There is a free salon here in our flat
Gago to si...
for all ladies with tender loving care for each other only. Now she's
Oh my God.
so this is the first step. You need to grind your nail. What color you want, Fiona?
Pink.
Pink? Jenna white, me red, and you're pink. So, grinding the nail. You're not putting your nail very, what do you call this? Long?
No.
For her, so long.
Yeah. I like it long. Before, if I'm not doing it, this is also very long. I just reduced my nail last week.
Huh? Really?
Even if I try to grow it will just break. Because you know you need to continue doing gel. That's why if you stop it, it will be broke, right?
Because if gel, it's harden your nail, no? See, I cooked yesterday. She
Broken.
broken. Okay, done with grinding the nail. Okay, next step.
You cooking or finish?
Almost done.
Jay, you stop because of
Now
No,
it's
it's
in the
okay. I need
steam.
to steam my
okay.
banana.
Tell Kuya Daniel to do it.
Salon.
Because it's very loud. Shut up. Kinuha ko lang yung na kailangan ko.
Ano yan, cuticle?
Para lalaki konti yung kuko niya.
Yan pala yung secret.
Para i-post ko yung niya ba para
Bakit ako di mo ko ginanyan?
mayroon ka ng bead nails eh. Para mas mabilis.
May mga secret pala yan.
Tinos lang kita. Pero tinanggalan kita ng cute ko konti. Ito kasi siya, gusto ko mayroon siyang kuko. Because he doesn't have nails, so I need to push this one.
Pag na-push, it will look more longer.
Kasi tanggalin ko yung malalaki niyang Pinos din naman kita, pero hindi yung Yan.
High quality.
Everything is disposable.
Oh.
Yeah. Even this one, paper, the towel, it's like this. You will throw after.
High quality means priceless.
Because it's pricey, so
You have
That's
to
why.
take care the hygiene of the
because
customer.
otherwise they will complain. Because they pay a lot of money, then even for the hair.
Now, removing the cuticle. You're off today, Fiona.
Tomorrow.
Ah. Today is morning?
Yeah. Conversation is a better in you.
I like the
Down
way Anne move her hands like this. No? So easy. It's like she's twisting her body, her hands. So nice.
It looks easy when
It's
you're
an
doing
art.
it.
Yeah.
But try to do it
Try to
yourself.
do it. Oh my god.
Yeah. For her, it's so easy. It's like she's waving. She's bending her body, her hands. Nipper. Removing the excess cuticle to make your nail much more longer.
Because you know when I'm doing ate nails,
Next.
she forget to vlog.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
forgot to vlog.
Forgot,
It's good that you're still on the queue.
She's excited.
Otherwise, now we are on the middle stage, cleaning the outer part.
Yan yung kuko ni ni sino yan?
Jenna,
Hindi. Gusto ko nga gawin yung kamay niya eh. Para makita niya ang diferensya ng gawa ng Riga at saka gawa ko. Like, it's bulky.
putting
Yeah,
alcohol.
I can see the work.
The next part.
too much pink here in the room. See, look like kids. Okay, let's start to put the first coating. Is what you call that?
Base ko.
Base coat. Base coating. Okay, putting the nail inside, the hand pala inside. So it will be cooked. Her
Cooking
nail
job.
will cooking nail.
Kuyuwan.
Kuyawan!
Kuyuwan
Tito
nga
Noy
ni.
Noy, Kuyawan.
Ay, nanood ako niyan. Ang pinapanood ko ngayon, Tito Totchi.
Tito Noy Noy, Kuyawan. Winky! Unsa man lola mo?
Winky, Bisaya.
Winky. Pamangkin niya yun eh. Anak ko yun eh. Pangalan na anak ko, Winky Rose. Tatay niya is Winky. Kaya dinugtungan, Winky Rose. Another finger.
Ayan, ulit natin yan. I-cure pa natin yung kabila. Parang hindi na
Roasted fingernails na yan later. Shoo!
Pilit eh.
You buy all that one
Yeah, this...
and you're not using it
No.
yourself.
I just want to... But this one... When we reach
See?
our target, we have one.
See this?
Oh.
The cover itself, how
Yeah.
good it is.
Then,
It show how
This I
expensive.
buy 800 from Bronson.
Oh, see, it's 100. This
And then
800
because of the
dirhams, only
color.
this one.
Yeah, I buy all this one. And this also
These are the tools
It's
for
also
doing
for-
manicure.
like this. If I doing some like, pig nails. Like this.
What is that? What is the purpose?
For pig nails.
Pick nails, ano yun?
Extend the nails. Next time, if I buy it the pig nails, then I will.
You know when you go back home in your vacation and you make this one, you
I
make
can-
some money.
I can.
Expensive this?
Tinan mo, si Indy.
C and D.
192. Depends on the color.
192. My goodness. Depends to the color. Pink.
And
Wow,
the
this
ladies
is my-
doing their nails every week, right?
Every 2 weeks.
Oh my god.
In
And the
this
pink one
is
is
in
like
Amazon, 192 dirhams. How much is 192 dirhams? 3,000 pesos.
And this
Only
one,
nail polish in the Philippines. Shuhada mascara.
it's 10 ml.
Oh, yeah, very small, no?
And I still
Done steaming or cooking, then start to do the nail polish. Wow! Red, pink. Why you don't want red? No need. Better for you pink because Jenna is white and then later we will do like this all together and make photo. See?
smell it.
See my nail polish. What you call it? Cat eye.
Cat eye.
See? Flower. Pink. It's a baby pink.
Akala ko nga shocking pink.
Baby pink.
Maybe for second coat it will be more pink.
Mm.
Or wait, this. Which one you like?
I'll put this one.
This one?
It's a bit shiny also.
Yeah. So it's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. At least it will show your nail.
Yeah. That's why it's expensive. When you put, it's
When you after applying, it look like shiny.
Inside.
Okay, again, steam. See, nice na. Daniel is washing, no problem. Washing clothes, but tell him for 1 week he need to cook and wash.
Then
all the
you
dishes.
need to do your nails, Kulira.
Small brush for what? What is the use?
This
of
is for Oberly and for the friends. If you do some friends, you know.
Friends tip. This one brush what?
For the friends.
Friends
See, I have a
tip.
lot. See, I have the long one. This one. Put this inside. Okay, now we try
Still steaming the nails.
we try this one. How it look. If your pink is still showing, then we go for it. But if it will cover, then
What's that silver?
no, it's like yeah. Wait.
Okay. Wow. It's nice.
Hmm?
Still pink.
yeah.
Cat eye.
So what do you want? You like
Yeah, I put this one also.
it? Yeah, see? At least there is something, you know? Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Magnet.
Everyone is going to be asking, you made your nails how much? How much?
Yeah, it's free.
Even in my office before.
See?
See?
I enjoyed this before when I have
Mina magnet. Wow.
It's really good.
really?
Yeah.
Even your nail is short, right? It's look nice,
it
no?
looks nice.
The white is showing up now.
Hmm? Hmm. And there is like design, right?
This one.
Hmm?
First time also for you, Fiona?
Not the nails, but this what she's doing.
Ah,
I've seen it anyway, even in my country. Like,
This kind of tools, this
There
kind of
is now,
technique.
but
Yeah.
Because it's expensive.
my salon only to put this 100 extra.
oh,
But I know it.
This is how the way you make a cat eye nail polish, you will have to magnet. But the nail polish must have a magnetic nail polish also. Otherwise, it will not
put inside?
magnet.
Wow.
Okay, inside.
See? It's like shiny, but not too much.
Too much.
Yeah. I will try.
Okay, putting this flower.
No, but not this nail. I just want to try how. Showing or what.
Ay, maganda.
You like it?
Oh my god.
See, Messi?
Magic.
Oh, nice.
You like it, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, but not.
She removed the flower and again do it by cat eye. Because the design must be always in the middle finger or fourth finger. Now go back to cat eye. See, it's showing the shiny, the whiteness.
Okay, inside. Give me
Again,
this one.
cooking.
I want to try put flower from here. Which one? Dito na lang, medyo malaki. Iiba ko sana kasi sa'yo dito. Dito na lang din siya.
Showing?
Of course.
Aywa. What's the
Where?
inside?
Magnet. But it should be the polish will magnetic.
Aywa! So nice. Another flower.
At least may design siyang isang flower.
Na magnet niya dun. And then it will show flower. Wow. It's more visible in the pink.
Okay. Make other people smile.
Yes.
That's what you've done today.
Mm.
After too much stress at work.
Yes.
If you are happy for what you are doing, that is what you call your
Yeah.
passion.
Yeah.
And
I
if
like it.
And if you are happy that
don't feel
someone is
tired.
happy, it means
That's why.
compassion.
Okay, maybe today I'm in the mood. Okay, then I need to call.
No top coat now. Almost done. Base coat, and then nail polish, and then cat eye, and then now on
Top coat.
top coat.
Final.
Final coating. How many layer? 4, no?
But the cut eye, it's thin layer only.
You know, the first time that she do my finger, it takes 1 month and a half. Before,
Yeah, I did before ate the dark color.
Since February. And then,
I told her, come, we will remove. So, no, I don't want.
there is oil.
Yeah, cuticle oil.
Ah, that's why it will not
Okay.
dry your hand or fingernail.
Kaliwali, Daniel, eat your...
That's why it's good to
Yeah,
go in those high end.
because
Because of money, you cannot go there.
But you know, this, it's same like, but in Riga, yeah, you
it's
can do
very
that.
well treated or
I don't like her because, they come to you and...
massage after. See, putting lotion, cream, and then massage. See, that is what you call tender, loving care.
Yeah.
See, after service. See,
Yeah. Wait, I will show you.
I will pray
Wait,
that you get more clients.
and finish.
Yes.
Okay, let's go with Jenna. Let's.
No eating for 1 week.
Ay, see our hands.
Oh, tandayan ganyan.
Dali, ganyan. O, dali. Wow. Binidyo mo ba?
Kabidyo yan.
Bakit di natang...
Ayun o, natakbo.
natakbo pala yan. Okay, natakbo pala. Okay.
Wow.
Nice.